Milwaukee M18 Cordless Drill Driver Kit. Although it's the most expensive 18-volt drill, this Milwaukee drill has tons of drilling power. It crushed the competition in our high-torque tests, completing 20% more bored holes than the second-place finisher. At 500 inch-pounds, no other drill has a higher maximum torque rating. It has one of the better warranties, with 5 years for the tool itself and 2 years for the battery. This cordless drill kit includes an M18 compact 1/2 inches drill driver and 2 M18 lithium-ion battery. It includes a hard carrying case and 2 1.5A batteries. Its charger supports both M18 and M12 batteries. Makita 18V LXD Lithium-Ion Compact Cordless 1/2 Driver Drill Kit. This is the second most expensive of the 18-volt drills on the list, but if you need to get into a tight spot, this is the drill for you. This compact drill centers at 1 to 33/64 inches, which may be a far cry from the BLACK+DECKER 12-volt pick at 1 to 18/64 inches, but it still beats out the next best 18-volt option by 7/64 inches. Includes 2 1.5A batteries and a soft carrying case. BLACK+DECKER 12V Max Cordless Drill Driver. This B&D compact drill will help you get in and drill in tight spaces. With overall mid-level performance, a keyless chuck for easy drill bit changes, and the cheapest price tag on the list, this cheap cordless drill is a solid pick. I measure down to the 64th of an inch for clearance in tight spots. At 1 to 18/64 inches side clearance, this drill gets into tighter spaces than any other I've tested, although it is worth noting that our overall pick, the Bosch PS31-2A, was just behind at 1 to 19/64 inches. Includes 1 1.5A battery, no carrying case. DEWALT 18V XR Brushless Compact Lithium-Ion Combi Drill. There's a reason you see so many DEWALT tools on sites. They're rock solid, reliable and cleverly designed, and this XR Brushless Compact is no exception. It's been built specifically for working in tight spaces with a quick and simple bit change, a bright white LED so you can see what you're putting holes into, a steel belt hook and magnetic bit storage to keep everything to hand. It's built to survive the lumps and bumps of proper work, and its 2-stage aluminum transmission is built to last. There's just one battery pack in this version, a 4.0 XR Li-ion battery, but what you lose in batteries compared to other DEWALT deals, you gain in functionality. The XR Brushless Compact has 14 torque settings and a powerful hammer function for tougher jobs. Just beware, first gear is comparatively quick compared to many other drills, so if you're driving screws you'll need to be that bit more careful. Bosch 18V Compact 1/2 Drill Driver Kit. This bundle of dual grip friskiness is 20% smaller and 10% lighter, 1.1 kilograms, than the average cordless man drill. It's also ergonomically designed to give you optimum power transfer and less of an aching hand. Certainly, the dual grip is a godsend for those tricky jobs that require a bit of body weight and an extra hand on the drill. Where in the past you'd be triggering the drill with one hand and pushing from behind with the other, with this one you simply grip the arched front handle, lean in and drill right through to the neighbor's sitting room. Furthermore, if the drill's integrated sensor detects sudden jamming, for example you may hit a steel joist, an old Roman axe, or whatever else is tucked behind the wallpaper, it shuts the motor down, preventing kickback of the drill and possibly further chaos. The PSR-18 is no lightweight when it comes to tricky tasks. It loves a good screwing. It has no less than 20 torque settings and will penetrate any willing material, be it masonry, brick, metal, wood, or, if your name's Reno, skull. It's also the first DEWALT drill to incorporate the latest in brushless e-motors that are not only smaller and lighter than current units, but are also more powerful and wear-free. Bosch's accompanying 18-volt lithium-ion battery dishes out a very ample 2.5A and can be charged to 80% in just 40 minutes. You only get one for your money, but a single charge lasts long enough to see you through. At least 10 IKEA cupboard assemblies, several shelving units and possibly the building of a full-scale Spitfire replica. And because the battery is part of Bosch's 18-volt POWER4ALL system, it can be used on 15 other Bosch-based iron garden tools. WORX cordless drill. This compact and lightweight hammer drill is not only one of the most powerful cordless devices offered by WORX, it also looks rather ace, with chunky rubber grips and a cool contrasting orange and black color scheme. Not that we're easily swayed by aesthetics or anything. A beefy 20V lithium-ion battery pack ensures the motor can develop 50 Nm of torque, which is more than enough to take on most drilling tasks. The 13mm keyless chuck and shaft lock make it easy to swap drill bits on the fly, and the latest battery tech promises no self-discharge for optimum performance. There's a standard 3-year warranty on all WORX tools, but surprisingly they still manage to come in at the lower end of the budget spectrum. This package includes a spare battery and over 150 accessories in a case. Ryobi 18 VRID 1801 M1 Plus. Some might say that an impact driver is too hardcore for many day-to-day jobs, but we say, have a go on the Ryobi 18 V1 Plus cordless impact driver and you'll be amazed at the amount of control it offers without the fiddly torque settings or numerous gearing options that are found on rivals. This thing isn't really designed for drilling holes, but instead makes mincemeat out of tough screwing jobs to both wood and metal surfaces, as well as being very handy at loosening tough bolts. Although not completely novel, there's still something quite nice about the fact that just one battery pack fits the entire ONE+ range of DEWALT tools, although make sure before you buy that the package actually includes a battery if you don't already own a ONE+ device.